Kamala Harris wants to raise the tax on capital gains. Real estate guy Grant Cardone joins me now. All right, Greg, welcome back to the show. What would be the impact on the housing market if we raised the capital gains tax?
Well, the impact will be exactly what's happened in all the major Democratic cities across the United States. Top 20 most expensive cities in America are the most regulated Democratic policies. If she passes any of this, by the way, and I don't think she can, don't think she will, it would inflate housing prices, the $25,000 credit, the capital gains tax, all these things, the corporate increase, the billionaire tax she wants to pass, all this would increase property values, increase taxes. It will destroy the middle class. Stuart, she is either financially illiterate, and I say this with respect, she's either financially illiterate or she believes her supporters are either too lazy to do the due diligence or they can't read.
It's a mark of a left-wing candidate, isn't it? I mean, Kamala Harris was helped Biden get dragged to the left when they first went into the Oval Office. Now I suspect that if elected as president, she would drag the party to the left and introduce more of this tax the rich, beat up on business kind of stuff. This is just the result of a far left candidate.
And it doesn't financially work. Like if you do the math, she wants to raise taxes on billionaires from 8%, which is what they pay on average with their deductions, to 25%. That would only raise $50 billion over 10 years. The two bills that she passed, she's responsible for, not Biden, by the way. She is responsible for the Inflation Reduction Act, just a nice name for more inflation, and the American Rescue Fund. That was $3.2 trillion, as you know. That could have bought 16 million brand new homes for families in America. That's 1 out of 3 black families in America could have been provided with housing at zero cost to taxpayers had they diverted that to America rather than all over the world. So this is just more inflation, destruction of the middle class, destruction of the U.S. dollar, higher interest rates that the Fed won't be able to bring down, or they'll have to print more money and inflate again.
Grant, the California State Senate passed a bill that would give undocumented migrants up to $150,000 to buy their first home. They haven't got the money. They didn't fund it. Is this just window dressing?
Yeah, it's come on. It's a come on. It's an old gimmick in marketing. We make a promise. We can't deliver. Don't do your due diligence. Come to the dealership. It's a $99 payment. You walk out with $700. The $25,000 tax credit, that's bogus baloney too. You can get that from a builder right now. This is just window dressing, as you say, for an election in hopes to get votes.
You don't think much to it, do you? I can tell. Grant Cardone, thanks for being on the show today. Come and see us again soon. Grant Cardone, thank you.